Zane loves dried apples.
No.
I thought you didn't want Milo to have your apple.
Zane, you eat.
Better run, Milo's gonna get your apple. Ooh, it's dark in here. Go.
You're welcome.
You can go in there. He doesn't want Milo to have it. Oh, you're gonna share with Milo your apple? Uh-oh, Milo took it. Well, you gave it to him. Go tell Daddy. Say, Dad, I need a new one. Careful. You can't run so fast. Say, Dad, I need a new one. Milo took mine.